All right, it's a perfect opportunity on a beautiful autumn Minnesota day for a cool bike little walk around. This is my 80 KZ1000 Ltd, which I love quite immensely. Pretty much all original. I did I put some red pinstripes on it just because I wanted them and I didn't want to pay for the kit, so I just went to the auto parts store and got me a cheap setup. But this thing is it's a beautiful, fun, big old road shark is what it is. Let me start it up for you so you can hear it. Give me one sec. Hold on, setting the phone down for just a minute. Big sharky roar. Anyway, love this bike. Love autumn riding. And let's keep those classic machines rolling.